military surplus as cover. Wish we thought of that.
This Edmund was a genius.
Oh, yeah? Must take after his mother.
Obviously.
How do we carry?
10 guns in each.
Roll it up, strap it on.
Just a biker with a bedroll.
6 riders, 5 dozen. That's a good haul.
Runs are set up for the next 3 months. One every 2 weeks.
We try to cover as many runs as we can with charity rides.
Cops never mess with us when we're serving humanity.
Rest of the time, traveling too, stay off the main roads. Should be no problem.
The 32.
Real pleased the way this worked out with Sam Crow.
Right, you tell the scabby fence boys, I'm all about the cause.
You can tell them yourself.
Edmund.
Jimmy O, some of the Falconer crew. May be coming stateside in Terminals.
Chucky Alar.
Their deal come.
Guys want short?
Yeah, we laid a bike down outside of Chico. We got all the cargo, though.
I figured he'd be Tig. Is he whole?
Yeah, we're perfect.
All right, guys, pack it up.
Oh, cool, bro.